In this video, I will show you how you can use hashtag effectively for better engagement. What's up guys? I am Sandeep and you're watching Tuval. Before we dive right in, let's start with a very good post written by Shushmita. She said, "Why hashtags? Why hashtags? I have come across this question why I use so many hashtags, or it does not look very professional, or it's hard to read the content, and so on. But the fact is, you have to realize what is important to you. Is it more important that people will think it looks unprofessional? They will say you are doing the wrong thing because it is decided that too many hashtags make it not professional. Or do you want to reach people and show your work to them anytime you post so that you get proper engagement and real feedbacks? Understand you are working hard on something every day, but you are not reaching people, you are not reaching clients, you are not getting proper feedbacks. Then what is the point of those hard work, those long hours? Do what you feel is giving your engagement. Is it regular posting? Is it good content? Is it the hashtag? Is it engaging with people in your connection or outside connection? It's a trial and error process. So keep working to figure it out. Just posting content won't help you. There are so many amazing people in my connection and they post so many great contents. What's the point if you don't get that reach? So try and see which combination work for you to see proper feedback from your audience. That's a good post. Sushmita is a graphic designer and digital artist. You can check out her profile from the link in the description. So what is a hashtag? Hashtags are specific and unique keywords that make your content more discoverable on social media platforms and help to engage with other social media users based on a common theme or interest. Clicking on any hashtags directs you to every social media post using the same hashtag. It is the easiest way to find, follow and contribute in conversation on social media. What is a good hashtag? Consider using 4 types of hashtag in social media marketing. The first one, clear and unique hashtag. The next, brand relevant hashtags, small hashtags and viral hashtags. Do hashtag increase followers? No, hashtag don't directly increase your followers, but they do help you to expand your reach and get more engagement on your post, which in turn more than often increase your followers. Using brand relevant hashtag make you more visible among your niche audiences who are very likely to follow you. So why should we use hashtags? It increases engagement with your followers. Including hashtags in your post means taking part in a conversation happening on that social media platform. This can lead to greater engagement, boosting your brand's social media engagement through likes, share, comments and new followers. An opportunity to build your brand. Creating a branded hashtag can be an effective way to promote your business and drive conversation. A way to show support for social issues. Using a hashtag that's connected to an issue beyond your brand is a way to mobilize behind an important cause or issue. Brands can also create a branded hashtag that also shows its connection to the social issues. Add context to a social media post. Using a hashtag can be a similar way to contextualize what you are talking about without using up the valuable characters or writing the repeatable captions. Help your target audience find you. On Instagram and LinkedIn, the users can follow hashtags as well as the other users. Using a few popular hashtags can be another way to help new users find your brand. The most popular hashtags. The most popular hashtags out there aren't necessarily the best hashtags. How to use hashtags on every network. First, start with Twitter. Optimal number of hashtags to use is 1 to 10. Technically, you can use as many hashtags as you like in Twitter within the 280 character limit, but Twitter recommends using no more than 2. If you are creating a new hashtag, do some research first. Make sure it is not really being used. Next, Facebook. Optimal number of hashtags to use is 1 to 2. Because so many user profiles are private on Facebook, remember that it's more challenging for your brand to track how users are interacting with your hashtags. Monitor your brand's hashtag and see which people followers are joining in the conversation by using the URL facebook.com/hashtag/, including the keyword you want to search at the end. Instagram. Optimal number of hashtags to use 5 to 10. Consider posting your hashtags as the post first comment so the followers can focus on the great caption you have written. With an Instagram business account, you can access Instagram Insights. Then you can see how many impressions your profile got from the hashtags. YouTube. Optimal number of hashtags to use 2. Hashtags are hyperlinked in titles and descriptions, so followers can find out the other content with the same hashtags by clicking on there. If you don't include hashtags in the title, the first 3 hashtags in the description will show above your video titles. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional platform. Keep the use of hashtags professional too. Follow hashtags on LinkedIn to see recent posts incorporating that hashtag. Pinterest. Optimal number of hashtags to use 2 to 5. Think of the Pinterest as a search engine. Use hashtags that are searchable, specific, that contains the relevant keywords. Don't use more than 20 hashtags in a pin description. If you are not already using hashtags in your social media post, it's the time to start using them. If they are done correctly, they can make a huge difference. Even though they first gained popularity in 2007, they are even more useful today for your brand. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss the next one.